business here sort of thinking, they're in the Northeast and they'd like support, even if they're not in the Durham area, they can always connect with you. And I know that you guys are great at signposts. And if it's something that you guys can't help with, quite often you can signpost to other areas as well. So we'll need to connect there. And Ben equally will tag you in the post as well, because at the moment Kay is. So if people want to connect to find out more about either EMCON directly or the Engineering and Manufacturing Network, we'll make sure people can get in touch with you there. So yeah, I think it's brilliant to see the amount of support that's out there at the moment, and it's really exciting how well things are going with the show. I'm really excited to be part of this year, and especially having attended in the past, it's going to be great to be working with the incubator zone and making sure that they turn that day into cash. That's the way I like to think about it, because I think that, it's a great experience. You can have some brilliant conversations. But one of the great things is that we all know is ultimately you want to turn those connections into a return for your business. And that's really where I'm going to be helping, making sure that the businesses in that area have the plan in place to do that. So I'm really excited that that's going to be something that we're going to be able to do.
I'll give you a very brief example on that. Very brief, I promise. Incubator zone, a couple of years ago, I'm wandering around doing my ambassador bit, and I was talking to a few of the businesses and just trying to let them see exactly what you just said about the importance of following up on those leads, having a strategy in place, and I know that you help with all that. And I said, because look, at the end of the day, you're not going to sell anything today. It's about getting your brand out there. And he says, well, I'll just stop you there. And he pointed to this big roller banner stand behind him, and it had a load of ancillary equipment on. He said, do you see that one there? And he pointed to a piece of equipment. I went, yeah. He says, well, someone walked past before and said, oh, do you sell them? Went, yeah. He says, I'll have one. He bought it then and there. So I'm very happy to be proven wrong. Very happy to be proven wrong.
Hey, I mean, you know what? It's always that thing, isn't it? And I mean, there's always the one that like breaks the rule that sort of proves it out. But I think there is that point where people are like, literally, I've been looking for one of those. Didn't know. I've always needed a digger that looks just like that,